Does the appraisal include the land value? Have you ever wondered if an appraisal takes into account the value of the land itself? This is a key question for anyone involved in real estate investing. Let's break it down. When a real estate appraisal is conducted, it typically includes the value of both the land and any improvements on it, like buildings or structures. The total appraised value reflects the combined worth of these elements. However, the land value is often assessed separately during the appraisal process. To understand this better, let's look at the two main components of an appraisal. First, we have the land value. This is the worth of the raw land itself, independent of any buildings. Factors such as location, zoning restrictions, size, topography, and market demand play a significant role in determining this value. Appraisers often apply the highest and best use principle. This means they evaluate the land based on its most profitable and legally permissible use. Common methods to estimate land value include the sales comparison approach. This approach analyzes recent sales of similar vacant land parcels. Another method is the extraction or allocation method, which separates land value from the total property value by looking at sales of improved properties. Next, we have the improvement value. This refers to the worth of buildings or other structures on the land. The cost approach is frequently used here. The appraiser estimates the cost to replace or reproduce the improvements, minus depreciation for age or condition. The appraisal report usually provides a single overall market value figure for the property. However, this figure is based on the analysis of these separate components. For real estate investors, understanding the land value portion is essential. It affects investment decisions, such as development potential, tax assessments, and future resale value. Knowing the land value helps investors evaluate opportunities. For example, they can determine if the land alone holds enough value to justify redevelopment or resale. They can also assess the potential for land appreciation separate from improvements. Additionally, understanding how much of the property's value is tied to structures that may depreciate over time is beneficial. In summary, appraisals do include land value as a distinct component. The final appraisal report often presents a combined property value, but understanding both parts is vital for making informed decisions about purchase, development, or sale.